and the car is right in front of me. A lot of you guys have actually seen this car before in my vlog. A lot of you guys that haven't seen that video, this will be the first time you guys see it, but here it is. E46 M3 shell. Complete shell. Has no engine, no transmission, no hood, no front bumper. It's missing a lot of stuff. It's missing a trunk. It's missing a lot of things. As you guys can tell, all the important things too. Pretty much the heart of the car is missing. I know it looks like a full-on legit junkyard build, but I'm telling you guys, what we have planned for this car is gonna be freaking insane when it's done. It's gonna be pushing 500 minimum, 800 max. So if we wanna push 800, we could do it. Literally a whole engine swap. I plan on wrapping the entire car, putting wheels, putting sick ass headlights. I also want to gut the entire car, put a full Formula Drift spec cage. I've literally had this car as my wallpaper because it's exactly what I want to do. Today is day one, pretty much, of the build. Today's plan, we're gonna get the whole interior, take out the seats, take out the rear seats, hopefully take out the carpet.
Gonna pull all the wiring out. All of it, all of that shit out. This car's gonna have no interior, nothing. No electric, no fuse box, nothing. Pull the dash out today too. Okay. Wait, don't put it on, I'm coming.
Oh my. Look at this. We're just gonna get all these wires out. All these wires need to go. So it's a lot more cleaner.
DP pistons.
These are good?
Of course, they're the best.
The best.
That's how we make power.
Some bolts and studs. That's crazy. This thing looks sick, dude. Look at this. God damn, bro.
Oh yeah, brother.
Just wait till we have seats in there and it's all white. Like 3 or 4 coats of clear coat, so it's super shiny. I'll put my light so you can see. Here's the interior. It looks so freaking good. We're making progress. Big progress. That's a fit or what?
Let me get one's up here, one up here, and you cut the hood.
And the exhaust right there?
You want it in the hood, right?
Yeah, I want big old flames out there.
Okay.
Look at this, guys. The engine's in, bro. That shit looks mean. Put gas in. Let's see if it starts. Full 85 too. Oh my. It's done or what?
Yeah.
I can drive it home?
Yeah, drive it home.
That's crazy, bro. Guys, tell me this is crazy. That's literally ridiculous, bro. I'm so glad I did it out the hood. I got too excited. I can't believe that happened.
It's okay.
I got too carried away, I think. adrenaline, bro. Look at my hand, dude.
I get adrenaline just driving in normal.
Bro, I'm recording, look. I'm shaking, bro.
Yeah.